Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for our nation's heroes, VA benefits. But we're not just talking about the well-known ones. We're uncovering the secret, often forgotten benefits that you, as a veteran, have earned and absolutely deserve. Many veterans are missing out on thousands of dollars and incredible support simply because they don't know these programs exist. So, if you're a veteran, or know someone who is, you need to watch this. We're going to make sure you can claim what's rightfully yours. Let's start with something many veterans don't realize they can claim: secondary service-connected disabilities. You might be receiving benefits for a condition like a back injury you sustained in service. But what if that back injury leads to other problems, like sciatica, nerve pain radiating down your leg, or even depression because of chronic pain? These new conditions are considered secondary to your primary service-connected disability, and you can file a claim for them. The VA understands that one health issue can create a domino effect. For example, a common secondary claim is sleep apnea resulting from PTSD, or perhaps tinnitus from noise exposure has led to migraines. Don't just focus on the initial injury. Think about the total impact on your health. Document everything. Get a doctor's opinion linking the conditions, what we call a nexus letter, and file that claim. It can significantly increase your disability rating and your monthly compensation. Next up is a huge one: VA clothing allowance. Yes, you heard that right. The VA can provide you with an annual payment to help with your clothing cost. Who qualifies? This benefit is for veterans who have a service-connected disability that requires the use of a prosthetic or orthopedic device, or who use a prescription skin medication that irreparably damages outer garments. Think about it: a prosthetic leg can cause wear and tear on your pants. Certain prescribed creams can stain your shirts. This allowance is designed to offset those extra costs. It's not a massive amount, but it's a practical benefit that acknowledges the daily realities of living with certain disabilities. The deadline to apply is typically August 1st of each year, so make sure to check the VA website for the correct forms and get your application in on time. It's a simple process that many veterans overlook. Let's talk about cars. Did you know the VA can help you purchase a vehicle? This is through the Automobile Allowance and Adaptive Equipment Program. If you have a specific service-connected disability that affects your mobility, such as the loss of a hand or foot, or permanent loss of vision, you may be eligible for a one-time payment of over $20,000 to help you buy a car. But it doesn't stop there. The Adaptive Equipment Program helps with the cost of modifying a vehicle to make it drivable for you. This could include things like power steering, brakes, special seats, or lifts. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about restoring your independence and freedom. The eligibility requirements are very specific, so you'll want to carefully review them on the VA's website or talk to a veteran service officer. But for those who qualify, this is a life-changing benefit. Now, let's shift gears to your family. Many veterans know about the G bill for themselves. But what about educational benefits for your spouse and children? That's where the Dependents Educational Assistance Program, or D, comes in. This is also known as Chapter 35 benefits. If you are rated as permanently and totally disabled due to a service-connected condition, or if a service member died in the line of duty, your spouse and children may be eligible for up to 36 months of educational benefits. This can be used for college, trade school, apprenticeships, and more. This is an incredible opportunity to help your family achieve their educational and career goals without the massive burden of student debt. It is a powerful way your service continues to support your loved ones long after you've left the military. Don't let your family miss out on this. Here's a benefit that is criminally underutilized: VA life insurance. Many veterans assume they can't get life insurance through the VA after they separate, or that it's too expensive. But there are several programs available. The one I want to highlight is for service-disabled veterans, called SDV. If you have a service-connected disability rating from the VA, you may be eligible for up to $10,000 in life insurance, and if you're totally disabled, the VA will waive the premiums. That means free life insurance. There are application deadlines, typically within 2 years of receiving your disability rating, so time is a factor. But this provides a crucial financial safety net for your family. There are other programs too, like VGLI, which allows you to convert your SGLI when you separate. The point is, explore your options. Don't just assume private insurance is the only way to go. Let's talk about something more immediate: temporary 100% disability ratings. Most veterans think of their disability rating as a fixed number. But if your service-connected condition requires surgery or lands you in the hospital for more than 21 days, you might be eligible for a temporary 100% rating for the duration of your recovery. This is called a convalescence rating. Let's say you have knee surgery for a service-connected injury. While you're recovering and unable to work, The VA can increase your compensation to the 100% level to help you financially. During that difficult period, you have to apply for it. It's not automatic. You'll need documentation from your doctor about the surgery and your expected recovery time. This is a critical support system that helps you focus on healing without the added stress of financial hardship. Next, financial counseling and mortgage assistance. Life throws curveballs, and financial struggles can happen to anyone. If you have a VA home loan and you're having trouble making your payments, don't just let the bank foreclose. The VA has a team of loan specialists dedicated to helping veterans avoid foreclosure. They can work with your lender on your behalf to explore options like repayment plans, loan modifications, or other alternatives. This service is free. They are on your side. Their goal is to help you stay in your home. Beyond that, the VA also offers free financial counseling services to help you with budgeting, debt management, and financial planning. This is a proactive benefit designed to empower you and provide you with the tools for long-term financial stability. Finally, let's talk about a lesser-known health benefit: dental care. Many veterans believe that you have to be 100% disabled to get any dental care from the VA, but that's not entirely true. While comprehensive dental care is typically reserved for those with a 100% rating or specific dental-related service conditions, there's another pathway. The VA Dental Insurance Program, or VADIP, allows eligible veterans and their families to purchase private dental insurance at a reduced cost. The VA has negotiated group rates with major carriers like MetLife and Delta Dental, making quality dental coverage much more affordable. Good oral health is directly linked to overall health, and this program bridges a critical gap for millions of veterans who might otherwise neglect their dental needs due to cost. So there you have it, a handful of the many VA benefits that often fly under the radar. From secondary claims and clothing allowances to car grants, family education, life insurance, and dental plans, your service was a promise to our country, and these benefits are our country's promise back to you. It's not a handout, it's a hand-up that you have earned through sacrifice. My advice? Be your own best advocate. Do the research. Go to the VA website, benefits, and read everything. More importantly, connect with a certified Veterans Service Officer, or VSO. Organizations like the VFW, American Legion, and DAV offer free assistance from trained professionals who can help you navigate the system and file your claims correctly. You don't have to do this alone. Thank you for your service, and thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow veteran who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more content to help you get the benefits you deserve. Drop a comment below if you know of any other forgotten benefits we should cover next. Stay safe, and take care.